Hello friends. Now in this video let's start the very important subtopic of integration and integral, that is the formula of integration. There are many formulae and their series of formulae start in this video. What is the integration? Integration is the process of the finding the integrals, most important things. Integration, it is the inverse of that derivative. And differentiation. Integral, it is also called as antiderivative. Usually notation of that symbol of integration is and standard form f of x dx. This f of x will be function is given to that example. This function is with respect to x. Let's start the formulas without missing any time. First upon integration of x raised to n dx raised to n. This is a very simple formula. X raised to n plus 1. This term is divided n plus 1. One quantity is added to the power of x and plus c. This is a constant. It's a formula. Very important thing is, if n is not equal to minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 will be cancel and power is 0. X raised to 0 is 0. The answer will be 0. Then is more important. Second formula, 1 dx. What is the 1? What is the integration of that 1? 1 is the integration is x and constant. Third formula, what is the integration of 1 by x into dx? This is the most usable in an exam. This is the integration of log of x plus c. How? Then x derivative is 1 and 1 is upper side. Then the answer is log. Fourth, integration of root x dx. How to solve the root x integration? Root x means x raised to 1 by 2 power, root means, and then integration of x raised to 1 by 2 power dx. This is the formula for first. n is the value of 1 by 2. Put in n is the value of 1 by 2, x 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. That is the x raised to 1 by 2, 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and they are remaining constant. 5. What is the integration of exponential function e raised to something dx? This is a very easy. Exponential integration is exponential, and that's power integration is 1 into a into 1. That is the integration of that exponential. And sixth integration of that trigonometric functions. Trigonometric function is sine. It's most important thing. Sine integration. What is the derivative of sine? Sine derivative is cos. It's opposite to that derivative. Integration is the opposite to that derivative. Sine integration is minus cos x plus c. 7th. What is the integration of that cos x dx? What is the integration of cos x dx? Cos x is the sin x plus c. 8. What is the integration of that tan x? This quantity is very important. This is the integration will be log there. Log of sec x plus c. Okay, 9th integration formula is, what is the integration of that sec x into dx? This four quantity tan, cos, cosec and sec will be integration in a log there. Sec integration is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Constant is constant. 10th. What is the integration of that cot x dx? It is a reciprocal of that sine, na? Yeah. It is a log of sin x plus c. 11th. The integration of that last quantity is to be cosec x dx. What is the integration of that cosec? Log of minus sin cosec minus cot x plus c. Is another form is log of tan half angle x by 2 plus c. It is another integration of that cosec x. Write the basically important formulas of integration is (1 upon constant square plus variable square. It is the most important. All exam are there. It is a very simple constant and variable. Both are square and it's divisible. Then the integration is 1 by a. This a single a. Then tan inverse. Tan inverse. First quantitative variable and constant divided by constant. This angle is plus c. Is the integration of that 1 upon a square plus x square dx. Second one is same formula, x square sign will be changed, minus x square dx. Sign change, already formula is to be changed. 1 upon constant double constant and their log minus opposite sign, a plus x, a minus x plus c. Last one, third. Sign will be changed. Constant, both formulas are positive. In these formulas are negative. X square constant minus a square constant dx. This is the integration is same here, 1 by 2a log of, then is that is the constant sign in minus sign in constant. There will be x minus a is already same, x minus a, and then will be sign is to be changed, x plus a plus c. This is the all important formulas for integration. Now we will see in the next video how the integration problem solve. Thank you.